The Ficinto FPV Drone FIC-1080P offers a unique flying experience with its adjustable 1080p ultra-clear camera that captures high-definition images and videos from various angles. This drone is not only suitable for adults but also an excellent choice for beginners and kids with its user-friendly features such as one-touch start landing, headless mode, auto hover, and speed adjustment. The Ficinto drone provides an extended flight time of up to 30 minutes, thanks to the 2 high-performance modular batteries included. This drone stands out for its engaging flight features such as 3D flips, gravity control, and waypoint flight, which allows you to plot a path on your phone for the drone to follow. The drone comes with a convenient carrying case for easy transportation and is backed by Ficinto's customer-first policies, ensuring customer satisfaction. At a price of $29.99, the Ficinto FPV Drone FIC-1080P offers a high-quality, fun-filled flying experience, making it a great value for money.